Hey everyone, if you're prepping for the GRE, you've probably heard that a robust vocabulary is crucial. Today, I want to focus on one word that's not just worth knowing for the test, but also for life: activism. So what is activism? Activism is the policy or action of using vigorous campaigning to bring about political or social change. In simpler terms, it's about taking action to make a difference. Whether it's fighting for environmental causes, social justice, or even educational reforms, activism is all about making your voice heard and pushing for change. But why is knowing words like activism important for the GRE? The GRE isn't just testing your ability to memorize words, it's evaluating your understanding of complex concepts and your ability to use them in context. Words like activism often appear in reading passages, sentence equivalence questions, and even in the analytical writing section. Let's break it down. In reading comprehension, you might come across a passage discussing social movements. Knowing what activism means can help you better understand the author's argument and the nuances of the text. For sentence equivalence, you could be asked to pick synonyms for a sentence like, "Her relentless activism led to significant policy changes." If you know what activism means, you can easily identify words like advocacy or campaigning as the right answers. Now let's talk about how to use activism effectively in your writing. When crafting an essay, using advanced vocabulary like activism can make your argument more compelling. Instead of saying people need to fight for their rights, you could say, activism plays a crucial role in the fight for civil rights. It's more precise, more powerful, and it shows the GRE graders that you have a strong command of the language. But here's the kicker. Understanding and using high-level vocabulary like activism isn't just about acing the GRE. It's about becoming a more effective communicator in your everyday life. Whether you're writing an academic paper, drafting a business proposal, or engaging in a debate, having a rich vocabulary allows you to express your ideas more clearly and persuasively. So, how can you build a robust vocabulary for the GRE? Start by reading extensively. Dive into articles, journals, and books that challenge you. Make a habit of noting down unfamiliar words and actively incorporating them into your writing and speaking. Use flashcards, GRE word lists, and apps to regularly test your knowledge. Remember, the goal isn't just to memorize words, but to understand their meanings and how to use them contextually. Words like activism are more than just letters on a page. They're tools that can help you articulate your thoughts and engage with the world on a deeper level. So keep pushing, keep learning, and keep expanding your vocabulary. Not just for the GRE, but for the countless opportunities that lie ahead. Thanks for watching and good luck with your GRE prep.